This is the Field King Pro Max lithium-ion powered backpack sprayer. So this one does come with an 8-volt battery that gives you up to 4 hours of battery life, and it is concealed here in the back just below this right here. So you can recharge it in just a couple of hours and then get right back to spraying. I love this option so much more than the handheld pump sprayers. For me, I'm always trying to kill weeds in big areas. So I do have this flat nozzle head on here right now, which is going to give you the widest, most powerful spray, but it does come with a few other nozzles as well. I'm predominantly using this as a weed killer backpack sprayer, so that's what I typically keep inside of it, and I just love that I can knock out the entire yard with one backpack. So I'm not having to refill. I'm able to get a widespread area with the nozzle right here, but overall such a great item. It's so comfortable. I'm a pretty small person, and this fits very comfortably on my back. And it has a waist belt on it as well, just to give it a little bit of extra comfort if you are going to be wearing it for longer periods of time. But overall, such a great item. Highly recommend if you are like me and you love to kill weeds without having to refill or pump your sprayer.